Hey everybody, this is Ben from Badcraft, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our Add a Sun Visor clip. As you can see here, we've got the first version of this right here. It just screwed right into the headliner. I thought it was ugly, so I didn't sell it. So I'm going to take that off real quick. But all you need to install this thing is an Xacto or box cutter, a quarter, and a felt tip pen like a sharpie. Let me just get this off here so it's out of our way. Okay. So we've got Badcraft motor clip, Honda OEM visor clip. It's important it's OEM because the ones that come from AutoZone are too tight and they're really hard to pull off, and these are really easy to pull off. Look at that, so sweet, so butter is smooth. Got myself a quarter, felt tip pen. So install is as easy as this. Swing it over to where you want it. I already kind of know because I had that one there. Boop. Right. Mark that with my felt tip. All right. Then I'm going to cover that with my quarter, kind of center it, draw myself a circle. All right. So I've got my circle drawn up there. It's just an outline of a quarter. Now I'm taking my Xacto blade and I'm cutting that hole out. Ah, what will I do? It's pretty easy. This headliner is not fighting me much. That wasn't hard at all. All right, last step. Open the door. Pull down this part. Grab your Badcraft Add a Visor clip, your OEM piece. You're just gonna face, you see that washer part? That faces away from the headliner. Where it says Badcraft Motors, that faces towards you. Slide that back here. Line it up and twist. I want to start at about 90 degrees from where you want it to end up, so that's what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to start here and then twist it into place, right? Twist around until it catches your visor. Boom. Put this back up. How easy is that? Not much easier. Could it be? Couldn't be much easier than that. Installed. No more flapping around when you've got stuff in the side visor, right? Comes out easy, pops up there. And now if you just bear with me one more second, I'm gonna show what happens if you don't have the OEM sun visor clip. All right. You guys see this one here? This one is a help clip, and it is a son of a bitch to undo, but I can still get it up there. Get it up there like this. Oh, you don't want that. See it tugging my headliner out? That's some bullshit. So I'm gonna replace that with a Honda OEM because I don't like doing that. All right, this is Badcraft. I'm Ben with Badcraft. Smash that subscribe button and we're gonna make more shit for the Honda Element because we can't not. It's a bummer. Peace.